And I've been doing lashes for a long time, but there was a missing piece. And joining this society has given me everything that I was missing. Like, how many lash courses can you do? Like, how many certifications can you do? Until you realize you have to do the business. And that's what she's teaching. Skill is important, being good at what you do, being excellent at what you do, but you also need to be excellent as a business owner with a business mindset. And that's what I'm learning. The success path is, she breaks down everything. And she's in the group, like coaching you, mentoring you. She's not afar off. Like, she's got her hands on the pulse of what's happening, and you feel like she's just right there with you, taking you through, even when you're doing the success path.